May komento ngayon ng isang dating opisyal ng Marcos Jr. government sa nauugnay na isyu ng iligal na droga kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Si MJ Mondihar sa report.
I would treat it as a health issue. Sabihin ko, if you're raising the matter of drug use or the use of illegal substances, first of all, if that's a crime but the president is immune, all talk about that would therefore have to wait until such a time as you have evidence and you can file it in the appropriate proceeding at the appropriate time. However, if this is being raised as a health issue, we can assure the public that the president is in good health. There is no indication of any health-related repercussions of use of substances, illegal or otherwise.
Ganito raw ipapaliwanag ng dating press secretary ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang mga tanong at hamon ngayon ng taong bayan na mapadrug test ang punong ehekutibo. Pero ayon kay Attorney Trixie Cruz Angeles, maraming factor kung bakit hindi ito sinasagot ng direkta ni Marcos Jr.
Actually, I understand that they are ignoring it because it is in fact difficult to deal with. Mahirap pa. Paano niya sasagutin yan? Either way, he will have to admit to previous drug use or he will lie.
Kalat na ngayon sa social media ang sinasabing pre-operations report ng PDEA na tumutukoy kay Marcos Jr. bilang subject sa isang drug operations Marso taong 2012. Ang PDEA itinanggi naman ang mga dokumento na pinalitaw ng political vlogger na si Maharlika na critical din sa administrasyon. Pero ani Cruz Angeles, ipit na ipit si Marcos Jr. kahit sa anumang anggulo tingnan sa issue.
Pag pinag-usapan niya yun, then it will open up. Are there any repercussions to those previous drug use? And that now becomes a health issue. And the health issue is a matter of public concern. So mahirap talaga yung position nila. And ignoring it might be the only answer for them right now.
Maging ang dating Executive Secretary at Chief of Staff ni Marcos Jr. na si Attorney Vic Rodriguez, drug test din ang hamon sa Chief Executive. Mismong kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na rin ang galing ang kumpirmasyon na nakita niya noong mayor pa siya ng Davao at kahit noong presidente ito na talagang may mga dokumentong nagtuturo kay Marcos Jr. bilang drug user.
Bawang mong cocaine, sige mo nag-agas. Sige, kamito na lang. For demonstration only. Dili ko bangag ha.
At ngayong may mahigit 13 billion pesos na halaga ng shabu na nakumpiska sa isang checkpoint sa Alitagtag, Batangas sa mga otoridad, maniniwala naman kaya dito ang taong bayan. Gayong mismo ang Pangulo ng Bansa ay hindi mismo direktang masagot kung siya rin ba ay may kinalaman sa paggamit ng iligal na droga.
Napakaraming butas. You mean to say a 13 billion worth of shabu na haul, no, na dinadala ninyo, iisa lang ang tao? Wala man lang resback, wala man lang motorsiklo na sa harap at sinadya pa niya na pumunta sa checkpoint. For us Filipinos, no, listening to this president talk about drug addiction, about the drug menace, when he himself has not submitted to a drug test that we've been clamoring for. What's your moral ascendancy to talk to us about this problem? Walang naniniwala sa'yo.
Unless some action is taken, di ba? Yes, magkaroon ng mag-snowball yung issue and people are starting to clamor for it. Tapos kung maingay na, nayuyugdog na sila and the refusal to acknowledge even the question will now become a matter of his own security, the security of tenure.
Para sa Diyos sa Pilipinas kung mahal, MJ Mondihar, SB9 News.